Hey guys, are you want to buy best vinyl record players? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best vinyl record players that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at 1 Bione vinyl record players, the Turntable combines classic design with modern functionality, making it both a stylish and versatile audio centerpiece. Crafted from wood and metal with a layered, streamlined corner design, it exudes elegance and sophistication, perfect for any living room or music space. This all-in-one turntable supports 33 and 45 revolutions per minute records, while its built-in speaker can also play music wirelessly via Bluetooth or through the AUX port. An integrated amplifier allows connection to external powered speakers, giving you full flexibility for immersive sound. Designed for serious audiophiles, it features a magnet-type cartridge and adjustable counterweight, balancing each channel to deliver rich, warm audio with minimal distortion. The diamond-tipped Audio-Technica stylus ensures precise tracking of record grooves for high-definition, authentic sound. Bluetooth streaming allows seamless playback from smartphones, tablets, PCs, or USB MP3 players, making it a perfect blend of vintage charm and modern convenience. This turntable delivers both aesthetic appeal and exceptional audio performance for music enthusiasts. Now our second product is Cotsoco vinyl record players. The vintage record player combines classic vinyl charm with modern audio versatility, making it perfect for both music enthusiasts and home decor lovers. Featuring built-in Bluetooth and AUX input, it allows effortless wireless streaming from smartphones, tablets, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. For richer audio, it also includes RCA line-out for external speakers and a headphone jack for private listening. This belt-drive turntable supports 33, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute, accommodating 7-inch, 10, and 12 vinyl records with ease. Simple to set up and operate, it's ideal for vinyl collectors who want high-quality sound without complicated installation. Equipped with 2 built-in stereo speakers, the record player creates a warm, inviting atmosphere for family gatherings or quiet relaxation. The removable cover protects the turntable and vinyl from dust, while its elegant textured exterior adds a stylish retro touch to any room. Compact, portable, and thoughtfully designed, this record player also makes a thoughtful gift for music lovers who appreciate both nostalgia and modern convenience. Our third product is Retrolife vinyl record players. The Retrolife individual suitcase record player blends vintage style with modern functionality, making it a perfect choice for vinyl enthusiasts and casual listeners alike. Its black PU leather exterior, bronze metal accents, and solid handle create a stylish, portable design that's easy to carry anywhere, perfect for creating music memories on the go. Offering 4 connection options, it supports Bluetooth streaming through built-in speakers, RCA output for external speakers, AUX in for non-Bluetooth devices like MP3 players, and a headphone jack for private listening. The belt-driven turntable supports 7-inch, 10, and 12 records at 33, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute, and features an anti-resonance design for rich, high-quality sound. The setup is simple, requiring no extra equipment, making it ideal for beginners or seasoned vinyl collectors. Handy controls include an auto-stop switch and a quick mode selector for Bluetooth, AUX, or phono. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for relaxing at home, parties, or gatherings, combining portability, style, and premium sound. Now number 4, 1 Bione vinyl record players. This record player offers a perfect blend of classic vinyl charm and modern functionality. Featuring 4 high-quality built-in speakers, it delivers rich, full-bodied sound without the need for external speakers, making it ideal for home use. Equipped with the magnetic at 3600L cartridge, the turntable ensures precise tracking and detailed audio reproduction, bringing out the best in your records. The belt drive system reduces vibration and noise, providing smooth and stable playback at both 33 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute speeds, suitable for all your favorite vinyl. For enhanced versatility, the RCA line-out option allows connection to stereo systems, powered speakers, or amplifiers for a more robust listening experience. Additionally, the wireless input feature lets you stream music from smartphones, tablets, or other wireless devices, so you can enjoy your digital playlists alongside your vinyl collection. Compact, stylish, and easy to use, this record player combines premium sound quality, classic design, and modern connectivity, making it a fantastic choice for both casual listeners and vinyl enthusiasts alike. And our last choice is 1 Bione vinyl record players. This record player perfectly combines vintage vinyl charm with modern convenience. Its flexible Bluetooth connectivity allows you to stream music wirelessly from smartphones, tablets, or other devices, letting you enjoy your favorite playlists without any hassle. Equipped with 4 high-fidelity built-in speakers, it delivers a rich, immersive sound experience, offering balanced audio that brings vinyl records to life with clarity and depth. The magnetic at 3600L cartridge ensures precise tracking and detailed sound reproduction, highlighting every nuance of your music. The built-in phono preamp makes connecting to external speakers simple via switchable phono/line RCA outputs, no additional amplifier required. For more versatility, a 3.5mm AUX input lets you connect other audio sources easily. The dual-speed belt-driven system supports 33 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute records, while the preset balanced tone arm counterweight ensures stable, smooth playback. Compact, stylish, and easy to operate, this record player is ideal for both vinyl enthusiasts and anyone looking to enjoy a high-quality, flexible audio experience at home. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.